everyone, I'm Marisa. On April 23rd, two things happened on the same day. Microsoft, 51 years old, never once done this before, extended voluntary retirement buyout offers to roughly 8,750 U.S. employees, about 7% of its American workforce. On the same day, Meta announced it's cutting 8,000 people, 10% of its entire staff, starting May 20th. And permanently eliminating 6,000 open roles that will never be filled. Neither company is in trouble. Both posted strong results this quarter. So what's actually happening? The answer is in the capex numbers. The four largest tech companies, Microsoft, Meta, Google, and Amazon, have committed to a combined $630+ billion in capital expenditure for 2026. That's up roughly 70% from last year. That money isn't going into new offices or new headcount. It's going into GPS, data centers, liquid cooling infrastructure, and custom AI silicon. I call what's happening layoff arbitrage. And it's worth understanding precisely. The logic is direct. Cut a senior engineer at $250,000 a year. Factor in benefits, real estate, equipment, and management overhead. You're looking at $400,000 plus in total cost per head. That same budget funds the lease, depreciation, and power costs of multiple top-tier AI chips running inference at scale. It's not that the company is struggling, it's that at the margin, for your specific role, compute is now cheaper than you are. This reflects a deeper structural shift. The old model was headcount intensive. More engineers equals more code equals better product. The 2026 model is compute intensive. More GPUs equals faster inference equals stronger model. The salary line is exiting the P&L. The power bill is taking its seat. For engineers and knowledge workers, this is uncomfortable, but it's important to see clearly. You're not being displaced because your company is failing. You're being displaced because a combination of AI models and compute infrastructure can now perform enough of what you did at a lower marginal cost that the reallocation makes financial sense. So what do you do about it? Move toward compute leverage. Learn to speak the language of AI infrastructure, distributed systems, model evaluation, inference cost management, prompt architecture, agent design. Your value isn't in executing tasks. It's in deciding which tasks deserve compute, how to verify results, and how to make the overall system better. Become the person who can calculate the ROI. If your work can demonstrably show that what you produce is worth more than the GPU cycles it consumes, you're not a cost center. You're a return amplifier. One final observation. And this matters more than the headlines. This round of layoff arbitrage is a high leverage bet. It dramatically raises the risk profile of the entire industry. If by end of 2026, the application layer, agent commercialization, autonomous vehicles, personal AI assistants, can't deliver convincing revenue at scale, these massive compute assets will become a cash flow crisis rather than a competitive moat. The organizations treating AI as an employee will always be managing it. The ones treating AI as core infrastructure are waiting to collect the returns. The gap between those two organizations isn't efficiency, it's cognitive velocity. Two questions today. Pick one. A. Is your company's current headcount reduction explicitly tied to AI infrastructure investment, or is a different rationale being used internally? B. If your current role can't directly amplify compute value, what's your next move? I'm Marisa. See you next time.